Good morning mga kakikoy ko. First day of snow here in Tisdale, Saskatchewan. If you notice that, look at that. Look at that. Alright. Ayan. First day of snow. Alright. Ayan mga kakikoy ko, hindi na talaga mapigilan, no, yung pagbuhos ng snow. Alright. Paano na, kikoy? Oh no! Laban lang. This is Canada, you know. Gusto mo pa bang pumunta ng Canada? Wiper. Alright. Alright. See? Ano natin yan, ayan o, wiper again, ayan, keep on watching. Ayan mga kakikoy ko, hindi na mapigilan, no? Ano na talaga, winter in Wonderland. Alright. Winter in Wonderland. Life in Canada during winter. Tuloy pa rin, hindi pa rin ano yan, titigil. Ganun talagang buhay. Si Kikoy, kailangan pa rin tuloy. So ikaw, gusto mo pang pumunta ng Canada? Siyempre, better life and better place to live. Salamat sa lahat. Alright. During winter time, winter driving, make sure you have enough stop or naka winter tire, tire skid or shovel. I have shovel here on my back right there. So ayan, diba? Winter time. Here we go. Good luck. Drive safely. Bye-bye.